Hello everyone. This is a case study on business intelligence with solution 2. Now first of all, we need to understand what is the case study about. There are 3 levels in management: the top level, middle level and lower level. Top level is the executive information system, the middle level is the management information system, and the lower level is called as the office automation system. Now, what do we need to understand? In order to solve a case study, you need to understand these 5 steps when it is related to sales. The first one is situational analysis. What is a situation? Now, here you need to understand that if you could organize the pipeline with the representatives, then you can prioritize time spent on each type of prospect, and based on it, you can create a value for the conversion of dollar. So going to the formulation of problem. What is the problem here? The problem here is that the sales which are specifically supposed to be increased, they are not increasing at their value, and most of the representatives, because they could not meet their targets, are actually leaving the organization. So what does it mean? Coming to the facts. Now, if you could understand what could be done with the sales, then obviously there would be an increase in sales and the attrition value would drop down. So what are we supposed to do? Make assumptions. Now, when you talk about the operational level management, the types of information that has been stored using an office automation system, you can actually try to act on the facts that are given to you about how the sales could be increased. The sales can be increased when the operational work can be used with a real-time data. How can you do that? We can do this by using a dashboard. What is a dashboard? A dashboard tries to use a graphical image which can be viewed both by the top management organizational CEOs and also by the outsiders. What are we supposed to do? We are actually supposed to create a top management executive information system where the dashboard will represent the graphical image, that is, using the graphs of bar, pie diagrams, we can actually see how the growth of the sales is increasing. Now, to your surprise, you can see that actually the sales growth was 24% increase. And when you had used these kind of facts and figures, the attrition value dropped by 90%. What are we supposed to do now? We are supposed to actually work on the SWOT analysis. What is a SWOT analysis? It is a strength, weakness, and opportunity and threats of the organization. How do you do that? Now, when you check on the dashboard, the data visualization actually shows you a comparison of the sales record that could be analyzed in different areas where the organization was maintaining sales. What can we do now? Now, creating a data-driven strategy, we can actually make decisions much more effective. When you analyze the type of dashboards that are being meeting with the expectations of the people, obviously, you can streamline what could be done to reduce the number of sales which have been put up on one particular area where they are lagging behind and there is no improvement or growth. Now, pushing these sales to the other side using a real-time data, we can obviously put on discounts for a temporary period of time where using the cloud computing as one of your networks, definitely you could increase your sales. Now, when you know that the organization is increasing the sales without expecting this, there are surpassing targets more than expected in your sales. This is one of the reasons where sales dramatically increase in online sales strategy, where the Flipkart, Snapdeal, and other kinds of online websites try to prioritize their sales by increasing the discounts with the number of the membership customers for a temporary period of time. Isn't it wonderful? Increasing the sales, knowing the decisions at the right time, and the real-time data which can be viewed not only by the organization but also the customers in particular, so that they can use their time effectively, and the sales representatives definitely can increase the level of sales by improvising their statistics. Thank you.